you guys how to pair the device real fast. You go to your settings. This thing's freaking not zooming in. Okay, so I'm in Bluetooth. Pair new device. Find it, which is a Roav F0. It's pairing. And then you hear that thing where it says it's pairing. So that's the noise it makes when it's paired. And there you have it. So you can just go and play music or talk on the phone with your phone. So it's connected to your radio, same station. Just make sure the station's the same. Make sure it's the same as that one. You're good. You can maybe on your vehicle you might have to try to find a better station that works. This one just gotta find it, yeah. So this one happens to work for us, so that's what we use. Alright, so here's the device. It's like a FM transmitter to connect to Bluetooth from your phone to a FM station onto your radio that doesn't have AUX wire. So I know a lot of them that I've tried before, it's not clear, it's staticky, but one of the YouTubers that I watched, he had one and he recommended it, and I think it's LSX Matt, I think, or something. I'll put his thing in the description, but yeah, thanks to him, he said he bought it on Amazon and all that, so it's right there. I'll show you guys the box. I'll give you guys the link. It's pretty cool because I'm pretty sure it turns off when you get out the car, but when you start the car or you get in it, so I want to play it. And then I have it on 95.1. So if you have it connected to your phone, you get in your car, you start it, and you have music playing on your phone, it will automatically connect, unless you have another person whose phone was connected to it before, like my wife's. My phone wouldn't connect to it, only I guess hers would connect to it first, maybe because she has a better phone, but I don't know. That's one thing that I noticed with this device, but it's pretty clear. You guys can hear it in the radio. There's no static, nothing. I don't want to get copyrighted, so let's change the song.
When smartphones are expensive, the family has to share one. Step up with Boost Mobile and get 4 phones for
we have a
free.
commercial.
Switch to Boost Mobile and get 4 lines for $25 per.
That because I didn't want to get copyrighted. I probably am, but I could probably change the song. I don't know, but I just wanted you guys to hear that. If I do get copyrighted, I'll probably make another video, but yeah, I'll get more specs on that. Let's see. So here's the box it comes in. It's a Roav. It's a the model is F0 or F0. Got it on Amazon. Pretty much FM transmitter. I got it within like a day or two. Amazon Prime. Fast shipping. I'll put the link below. And yeah, this is a Bluetooth device. And then the calling is pretty good also. But I have no one to call right now to show you guys. So let's see. There's a newer model for this, but I haven't tried it out. It's probably way better, or maybe almost the same. I do want to try it just for fun, but it's like $26. This one was like $16.99 on Amazon. So for $16.99 it's pretty good, because before that one I bought this from a thrift store. This little, dude, I need a fucking stabilizer or a tripod. I bought this Belkin one from a thrift store for $2.99. So what this one does is it plugs into your cigarette lighter. That's how you power up the transmitter. Like this. This cigarette lighter doesn't work, but you get the point. Then you connect the station to it. I mean, connect it to a station, and then it has an AUX plug going to your phone. How you would plug it like a headphone. So this one was a little staticky, and you would have to hold it up somewhere, or like kind of move it around for it to even be clear. So it's kind of weird. So I just bought this. It was like, since I had to wait a day or two for this one, I bought this one for my wife because when she drives the truck, she needs her music. So temporary, a little static, but it worked. $2.99. I couldn't say no. It's used, yeah. I didn't buy it brand new, but this works great. My Pathfinder has a AUX plug on the radio, but the wires kind of get messed up sometimes, so I'm thinking about buying another one of this for my Pathfinder, because it automatically connects when you start the car. So it's pretty dope. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll try the newer version on my Pathfinder. But that's all I have for now. A little quick review on this little Roav. Let me know if you guys have any questions. It's gonna be a short video, so if you guys need me to make another video, let me know. What else you guys want to know about it and stuff, I'll figure it out. But so far, great with music. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it comes with, sorry, there you go. I think my cigarette lighter is kind of iffy, so when I touch it, it'll turn off and it'll restart. So it comes with 2 power chargers for your phone, so which is pretty tight. I guess that might be a little mic that it has on there, but my wife said the phone quality is pretty clear. I'm not sure if it comes in any other colors. There you go. That's how it sounds when it connects to your phone. Glad you guys got to hear that. Sorry, but here you go. So that's all I have for this video. Just like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I just like making small reviews because I put this on my Instagram story. If you guys follow me on Instagram, anonymous_garage. Everybody went crazy over it. Like, I just posted a little video, a little clip of this little transmitter and music saying that it's good, and everyone's like, oh dude, like, what is that called, where you get it, send me the link. So I did that, and I just want to make a video, put it on YouTube, and I know there's more viewers on YouTube, so help more people out, because I know people buy cars or have a car that doesn't come with this AUX, so, and they're skeptical about buying any of those transmitters because the static, or like it has this fobbish lady voice like Bluetooth connected, and no one really likes that. And I had worse ones. Like, I wish I still had that like right now so I could show you guys, but I don't. Like my truck, I can buy a little box that they make for this to connect to the back of the stock radio to run the AUX, but it's just way more money when you can just spend like under $20 and get that.